Right now, you are probably anxious about something incredibly minor. An unread notification on your glass rectangle, a passive-aggressive sign-off on an email, or a stranger who looked at you slightly weird on the subway. 1 plus 1 is 2, so it would make sense that our species, the apex predator that paved over the forests, should be a bit more stable. Problem is, your gray matter didn't evolve to survive modern office logistics. It spent 300,000 years playing a high-stakes game of hide-and-seek, where losing meant becoming calories. And guess what? Your quiet living room looks an awful lot like a trap. To make sure we are all on the same page, let's look at how your brain's operating system handles environmental data. For most of human history, complete silence was not a peaceful weekend luxury. It was a technical error in nature. In a real wilderness camp, silence means every bird, insect, and primate nearby has suddenly frozen in absolute terror because a heavy predator is creeping through the grass. When your modern apartment gets quiet, you aren't relaxed. Your amygdala is scanning the room, frantically asking why the birds aren't singing. And since you don't have a roaming pack of hyenas to justify your elevated heart rate, your anxious prehistoric programming has to get creative. It looks around your highly sterilized indoor environment, finds a completely inanimate object, and assigns a life or death threat level to it. If you are American, that means you're about to buy a self-help book to solve your corporate burnout. For the rest of us, it means realizing that your brain is just treating an upcoming quarterly performance review like a tribal banishment from the campfire. Your manager cannot physically bite you, but your evolutionary coding cannot distinguish between a data spreadsheet and a saber-toothed cat hiding in a bush. So, give yourself some grace. You don't actually care about that true crime case, or the background noise you use just to wash a single coffee mug. You are just a wild animal trapped in a concrete box, protected by the comforting voice of a podcaster who has absolutely no idea they are currently saving you from an imaginary tiger hiding in your kitchen pantry. Spoilers, the pantry is just full of expired cereal.